This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to connect Google Drive to Claude. So you're logged into your Claude account. I have an open message thread right here with nothing in it. Whether you have things in your message thread or not, which is just a blank one, it's absolutely fine. You are going to come down to the bottom left, click on this plus icon right here. Then you'll come down to connectors, and you'll see any of the connectors that are currently added right here will be present at the top. I have Canva, for example, selected right here. But to add a new one, to actually add Google Drive, you will click on Add Connector right here. And now what you'll see is these are all of the connectors or kind of plugins, apps, whatever you want to call them, that you can add directly to your Claude account. So you might see Google Drive here. It's considered one of the most popular ones right here. As you scroll down on this main little window here, you might see Google Drive. If you don't see it, you can literally just search for Google Drive right here at the top, and Google Drive will be present right there at the top. So we click on Google Drive. Then we get this basic blurb about what this integration will give you. It will essentially allow Claude to actually connect and communicate with your Google Drive, and you'll be able to make changes directly in Google Drive. It's super helpful. So very simple. We just click on this black connect button right here in the top right, and just like that, it will make the connection. I'm not going to go through the final stage here, but what you would do is you choose your Google account, whether you have multiple or just one. I have just the one here. I will click on my Matt Crawford Google account, and it will sync everything up. And like I say, it will allow Claude to communicate with your Google Drive, and you'll be able to make changes directly from your Claude messages. It's really super helpful to have that integration, but this isn't a how-to video on how to what you can actually do with all of that. It's just an integration video. So that is the final stage of the integration process. You sync up your Google account exactly as I have shown you. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps. Subscribe to the channel for more videos just like that.